Hello everyone, my name is Raj Patel from A section. Today we have discussed about mass moment, inertia of space and book. So first of all, moment of inertia space is a normal expressed. That's a formula of I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. Here r and m are the radius and mass of the spheres respectively. Students have to keep in a mind that we are talking about the moment of inertia of solid spheres about its central axis. Additional, if we talk about the moment of inertia of the spheres about its axis on the surface, it's expressed. So moments equation is equal I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. Then the moment of inertia of a sphere expressed is obtained by two waves. First wave, we take the solid spheres and since it up into infinitesimally thin solid cylinders. Then we have to sum the moments of excluding small thin disk given axis from left to right. We will look and understand the derivation below. First, we take the moment of inertia of disk that's a thing. It is given as I is equal to 1 half mr square. In this case, I is equal to 1 half mr square. In this case, di is equal to initial moment of initial elements. Then I is equal to 1 half r square dm. So dm is equal to rho dv here. Rho, what is a rho? So rho is the density of thin disk of mass. dv is equal to volume of thin disk. So that dv is equal to pi r square dx, right? Because the volume. Now we replace dy into dm. We get of dm is equal to rho pi r square dx. And finally we replace dm with di. So di is equal to 1 half rho pi r raised to 4 dx. It's a radius of the mass moment of inertia spheres. So it's xx, yx, and zx. So di is equal to di is equal to 1 half y square dm is equal to 1 half y square. What's the y square? dm is equal to rho dv. So that di is equal to 1 half y square rho dv. Now, what is a dv? dv is equal to y, y square dz, y square dz. So that di is equal to 1 half y square rho pi y square dz. Then an integration of becomes I is equal to 1 half rho pi integration of minus r to r y raised to 4 dz minus r to r y, because r is the radius of the that's 1 half rho pi minus r to r square minus z square all about square dz. After integration, I is equal to 8 upon 15 rho pi r square. Substituting density of express given by I is equal to 8 by 5. What's the rho value? I don't know. So rho is equal to m by v. Rho is equal to density is equal to m by v. is equal to m by v is equal to velocity, uh, 4 by 3 pi r cube. And then put this value in this formula. So I is equal to 8 by 5 rho m by 4 by 3 pi r cube into pi r raised to 4. Then after I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. Here, initial moment of inertia elements di is equal to 1 half y square dm. 1 half y square rho dy is equal to expressing mass dm in terms of density and all. We already discussed this topic, but that meaning is here. 1 half y square rho pi y square dy is the substitution area times height of disk for of volume dv. 1 half rho pi. Rho pi is equal to integration the moment of initial elements of the bottom block. Rho d is equal to expressing mass of the terms y square is equal to moment of thin disk of mass. Moment of initial of hook. The anchor and the spring is always stationary. So for size of x equal to 0, v equal to 0. The then the end where the mass m is attached move at the same velocity m for x equal to L and small v is equal to capital V. Just for example of the point halfway between at x equal to L by 2, then small v is equal to v by 2. You may assume that the velocity varies linearly from x equal to 0, x equal to. So picture of one hook, initial hook, is the moment of initial axis of rotation that passes through its center of mass COM is known. Then the moment of inertia this object about any axis parallel to this axis can be found using the following equation, where is the distance between the two axes and it's the total mass of the objects. So it's a inertia, it's a hook. There are for length of hook x axis, y axis, z axis, where how to. So we have discussed about initial mass moment of initial space hook, and already saw about the initial hook, how to create, what's the formula of initial hook, how to solve this formula, what's the di, what's the rho dv, what's the pro pi, so initial hook. Okay. Thank you.